Hello boys, let's start our new lesson, inshallah. Open your book, please.
Super Goal 4.
On page 33. On page 33. As you see here, we've got a new rule. This rule, as you see here, is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly. We said before, if you wanna form an adverb, you should or you must put ly at the end of the adjective. So here he told you to form the adverb, you should put ly at the end of the adjective. They express how something is done. So adverbs of manner express how something is done. Adverbs of manner usually go after the main verb or after the object of the main verb. Here, the first example, he drives slowly. He drives slowly. Here, slowly is an adverb. Why? Here we have ly at the end of this adjective. And slowly comes after the main verb, which is drives. So he drives slowly. Slowly here is an adverb. The second example is reading the map carefully. Carefully as well is an adverb. We have ly at the end, and we said before, if the adjective ends with l, we double the last letter before we add y. Like careful, carefully. He's reading the map carefully. Okay, adjectives that end in l, double the l before you add y. Here, careful ends with l, so we double it, and then we add y, careful, carefully. Adjectives that end in consonant. Y, change y to I, easy, easy. Here, if the adjective ends with y and before it a consonant, we take out the letter y and we put I and then we add ly. So it will become easy, easily, as you see here. Note, some adjectives and adverbs have the same form. We have some adjectives, you can use them as an adjective or an adverb at the same time without any changes. For example, he's a fast driver. He drives fast. He is a fast driver. Here we have the adjective which is a fast. And he drives fast. Here fast in the second sentence is an adverb. Here fast and here fast, they are the same without changes. So the first form or the first point, put ly at the end of the adjective. If the adjective ends with l, double the last letter before you add the letter Y. The second point, if the adjective ends with Y and before it a consonant letter, take out the letter Y and put I and then add ly. The third point here, we can use some adjectives, we can use them as adverbs at the same time without any changes. For example, fast, late, hard, high. Exercise or sentence number 2. We ate a late dinner. We ate dinner late. Here we use the same adjective to be an adverb. Late, late. He is a hard worker. He works hard. Here, the adjective hard, we use it once as an adjective and the second time as an adverb. The mountain is high. They climbed high. Here, the adjective high, we can use it as an adverb. Note, the adverb form of good is well, and the comparative form is better. He's a good player. Good here is an adjective. Here, we completely change the adjective. We change it to another word. Good will be well. He's a good player. He plays well. He plays better than he did last year. He plays better than he did last year. The adverb form of good is well. And the comparative form is better. Okay, now let's answer the questions. As you see here, rewrite the sentences. Use the adverbs of manner. Adil is a careful driver. Adil is a careful driver. The first one is done for you. Adil is a careful driver. It will be Adil drives carefully. Here, careful is an adjective. How can we change it to an adverb? Huh. Careful ends with L, so we double the last letter and then we add Y. It will be carefully, and we put it after the verb drive. So Adil drives carefully. Okay, number 1. Hamid has a loud laugh. Hamid has a loud laugh. How can we change it? How can we use the adverb? Who can? Yes. Hamid has a loud laugh. Hamid laughs loudly. Excellent. Hamid laughs loudly. Yes. Number 2. We always eat an early dinner. We always eat an early dinner. It will be we always eat dinner early. We always eat dinner early. Number 3. Fadwa and Amal are slow readers. Fadwa and Amal are slow readers. So it will be Fadwa and Amal read, put the verb slowly and put ly at the end of the adjective. Fadwa and Amal read slowly.